Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jen Judalyn, your vlogger for today. So for today's video guys, we're doing a random bag raid challenge. Okay guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa isa kong friend. At titignan natin kung ano yung laman ng bag niya. Ha? Oh. Okay, you open your bag. What is inside?
Oh, I'm poor. Oh my goodness. Oh, this one. Handkerchief ready for?
Wow.
Sweat. This
Then,
one, blush on.
labas na.
This one, $10.
Wow, sorry. $10.
This one only. No need this one.
Okay, this one bank card.
Easy link. Sanitizer. Perfume.
Perfume. What is your perfume?
Singapore.
Hotel 82. 81.
Oh,
Then,
what's this?
lighter. More, yeah.
Then, no need this one.
This one
is
with
red.
the lady with wings. No. Okay, what else?
No more.
Then,
Feeling social lang. Pero inside like that.
so we're going to my other friend. So now we are with Shella. So we do bag raid challenge. What is inside the bag?
Oh.
Okay, start from powder.
Powder. What's this? Okay. Sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
What else? Perfume.
Perfume.
What else?
Candy.
And what else? Okay. Makeup.
Makeup.
Wow. That's all complete. All complete.
What else? Labas na.
That's it. Okay, for the hair. What else? Nothing.
Lipstick. Wag mo pa ito.
Okay, what is this? Moisturizer.
Then, ball pen.
Okay, Concealer ko ang dami. That's it.
So that's